All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1037, McVille case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McVille, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy's my husband, and we're divorced, but we're live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
but
well that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
5,
What
7.
you mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a moment.
You see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it out, right?
Get ready for a courtroom clash that's anything but ordinary. On one side, a father who swears daycare is just a glorified germ factory. On the other, a mother who's had enough of his control games. And presiding over it all, a judge with zero patience for the drama. But here's the twist. This isn't a custody battle. It's a financial fight. Who foots the bill for daycare when one parent doesn't even want it? Strap in, because this verdict is about to stir things up.
Every day, maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you are
an
working.
interesting
though.
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And
I
you guys live together right now?
Well, see,
Temporary,
well, the
dog.
reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. Childcare is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided.
So
He
let me ask
wanted
the
to try to
question
make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay. And you all live together with the kids?
Yes. And he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this will be a good arrangement. And
Only
he
reason I
would.
did that
He would.
'cause you
Hold on,
trying-
one second, sir.
Finish,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse
Don't
me.
talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him. Sir,
Yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands,
opportunity
different
to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
again, you guys live in the same house with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this thing.
Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that,
kids.
but that's
Well,
really,
that's not a bad.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that, but you know,
I'm
that
trying
has
to save
nothing to
money
do with me.
for childcare.
I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live
Your Honor,
together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason. Come on.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come back?
didn't
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do you mean
so
you're not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working
time
2
you
days
have
a
an
week.
Yes,
outburst.
sir.
And that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case and you guys can go and work this out
Your Honor, I'm
somehow.
trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not, I already told you both. We're not going to have these disruptions.
Let me break it down for you. Dad's whole argument? Germs. Yep, that's it. He's out here talking like daycare is a full-on biohazard zone straight out of a sci-fi movie. But come on, germs are everywhere. Every grocery store, playground, even grandma's house. And here's the wild part. He didn't even visit the daycare. Not once. If you won't take 5 minutes to check the place out, do you really have a leg to stand on? Doubtful.
She's mad because I went to Cabo 2 weeks ago and
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, go ahead, go. So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little party
Oh,
and stuff.
wow.
You know, I
Okay.
work hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floor, cleaning the bathroom, everything.
Sound
you
like
know?
a good man?
No,
Cooking.
can we stop
I
this?
need a break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, you know, she cried talking about, well, what's going on? I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was gonna go to Cabo. She said, go on down there, enjoy yourself. You know, so that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay,
you know?
well, good.
But she think I was cheating on her down there. You
Okay.
know? Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys are already divorced.
Kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of kids.
Well, you
know?
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he be placed on child support.
Oof, mom just dropped a bombshell, and it changes everything. Turns out dad's not just cautious, he's a full-blown germaphobe. And it didn't stop with the kids. According to her, that obsession is exactly what tore their marriage apart. Now we're digging into the real drama. But here's the twist. Mom's a doctor. She's out there saving lives on the front lines, while he's holed up like he's bracing for the next pandemic. Talk about living in two different worlds.
Okay, no, that's not happening. There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home as him. That's
So I just
cannot
need to
happen.
kick him out again then.
Well, you know, that's
That
up to
way
you.
he'll get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do. But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids
That's what I
reside
told you.
under the.
You didn't tell
Excuse
me
me.
that.
You know
I
what?
tried to tell you that.
I'm going to go
tried
ahead
to
and
tell
tell
you.
you what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no
Sorry,
to you.
Luana.
No, don't be sorry. Be careful. Okay.
Okay,
Now
yes,
I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he. Okay.
That's fine. I got
Okay,
my plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay.
plan.
Well, here's the plan for this for today. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without?
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards to what I said?
Classic move. Dad wants family to step in and watch the kids instead. But here's the real question. Where were these so-called available relatives when mom actually needed help? Crickets. And let's be honest, most family members aren't early childhood educators. Daycare isn't just babysitting, it's structured learning, development, and socialization. So unless grandma's got a certified preschool in her living room, this argument doesn't carry much weight.
Is this still legal? Like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then?
Okay, I'll go ahead. I see you came here. Excuse me. I see you came here to waste my time. So I'll move along.
And there it is. The judge drops the gavel and makes it official. Both parents will split the daycare bill, $500 each. Just like that, Dad's on the hook for something he never even wanted. But here's the kicker. Had he refused, the court would have recalculated child support based on his full income and that number? Way steeper. Sometimes trying to dodge the bill ends up costing you more. Tough break, buddy.
Your Honor,
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said about my ruling?
No, I ain't got no question for what you said.
Okay, the plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because you are dismissed.
At the end of the day, the judge's decision was fair. Split the time, split the cost. And let's be real, $1,000 a month for 2 kids? That's a pretty reasonable deal. So what do you think? Was Dad genuinely worried about germs? Or was it just a last-ditch effort to dodge those daycare fees? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're here for the wild twists and turns of real courtroom drama, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around because trust me, it only gets crazier from here.